Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to log out from eFootball 2025. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, logging out of this game is actually pretty easy, okay? You don't have to open up the game actually, okay? Just to log out. All you need to do is just go ahead and exit out of the game. Close the game. Close, and then once that's done, just go ahead and find the app icon right here. This is eFootball. So what you'll do if you're using an Android device is tap and hold on to it. Now tap on, choose profile if you just want to change a profile. Okay, maybe you have another Google Play account, go ahead and select this option and log into that specific account. But if you just want to log out, you can go ahead and tap on the information icon right here and tap on under storage, tap on it, tap on clear cache. Once done, you got to tap on clear data and tap on delete. Once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to open it up once more. And by the way, if you're using iOS, just go ahead and find the settings app and then find the app section, eFootball, find it. And then just go ahead and tap on offload data or offload app. And once done, you should be good to go as well. Okay, just going to wait for it to load up. And as you can see here, you're now logged out. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.